was too much. Hi. Okay. Hi. Hi guys. I did it again. Wait. So today's video is basically me. Wait. Something I've never done before. And honestly, I have no idea how to do it. Like, at all. So thankfully, I didn't have to like spend money or anything. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing my makeup for the very first time ever. I know nothing about makeup. Let's see how this goes, okay?
So I have to do a little voiceover for this part, but I'm gonna be using my laptop to like help me step by step.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing makeup, and this is, let's just see how this turns out. Okay, so there's like so many things that I don't know about. Basically, the makeup that I'm using is coming from like my sister and my mother, so I've never once bought makeup for myself, like ever. And if anybody's doing my makeup, not me. This is my first time ever doing it myself. Bear with me. Y'all really need all this? Like, there's a lot of things here. I don't think I need all of this, right? Or do I need all of it? More powder? I really just said more powder. Like, I did not just say powder. I feel like y'all gonna be mad because me, I got no idea what I'm doing. I call this powder. All y'all can do is pray for me, a baddie. So we're gonna take my glasses off. And oh my god, these glasses are so cute. The person who helped me pick them out are very special. So let's get started.
So I was dumbfounded on how to do makeup, so I had to search it.
13 steps now. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is apply moisturizer. Is that like anything? I don't think there's any moisturizer here. Oh, this is primer. So this is like the second step. Okay. Moisturizer. So I don't know what's moisturizer, but we definitely want cream, some lotion, something. Because it should count as moisturizer. Moisturizing my skin. Nah, I think I did this wrong.
At least my eyebrows are cute. Because this is too much. At least my skin is still moisturized. Oh, you got my eye. Look at me. I don't believe.
So we're going to apply liquid foundation. And this would be this. My hands are oily. Oh. Okay. It's gonna take a while. smell it?
Because you're an idiot.
I guess this is a brush for it because it's like really big. Okay, so we're going to apply the liquid foundation. Cannot get my shirt messed up. Is this how I apply it? You know what? Don't tell me. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. I don't need so coat. Wait. Am I doing this right? Because like I've seen videos where people like just do it like this. Cover girl. Okay, so I think I'm doing this right. You know, one thing I know for sure is that I have to blend my neck in, because I be seeing like a lot of Instagram models and they neck compared to their face is a totally different color. So I know how to do that.
Bye. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Honestly, don't think this is my color. Am I supposed to like be using one of those squishy sponges or whatever they're called? I know I need my eyes to look the same. Maybe I should do my eyebrows first. But I mean, I have eyebrows, so I don't need to. Unless, unless the powder can take away the eyebrows. Maybe I should change my camera angle and face this way, because there's like more light that way and you guys can see clearly. Maybe I should do this with my hand. Oh, okay, once I switch my angle, then I'm gonna get back to doing this. Okay, I'm back. Where's my brush? Okay, and I'm sure you guys could see me a little bit more better now. Okay. I feel like I'm painting my face. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Ish. Yet. I couldn't find the whatever that squishy thing is, so like I'm using this instead.
So the next step is to use concealer, and I was trying to figure out if concealer was actually supposed to cover dark spots that were still being shown after using foundation.
Is this what you use? Jesus Christ.
You forgot my eye right here.
I know, I could see it. You're not supposed to even put this on the bottom of your eye. You need to put concealer.
Good.
Look up. Look down. You didn't put nothing over here.
So this is what it looks like with the flash on. Oh, that's how I know it's coming out. Okay, so we're gonna apply this doo-doo to, like, I guess, spots? I don't know what's showing. Like, I'm just gonna pick random areas. Pimple, 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 pimple. Ooh, I break out easy, guys. Gonna be popping a lot of pimples in the mirror tonight. Okay, so I don't know if this is filming, but I don't know how this looks. The concealer's right there. Here's my brush. I'm gonna make sure that you guys get to see what it looks like with flash. Okay, next step. Step 5. We're going to apply foundation powder. Okay, so this is apparently the foundation powder I'm gonna use. I found it like this. And you just, no, I think you're not supposed to use a brush with this. You're supposed to use your hands, right? Okay. I got a headache with this whole thing. Cause I want it to be good. I want it to come out looking cute. Oh my god. Is this darker? Okay, I think I'm just supposed to put it on my face and then use the brush, cause this ain't it. I need like one of those little big brushes and they like dust out. Bronzer. Can I like skip steps or something? Blush, and I definitely found some blush in my mother's makeup kit.
Do this. You put this on already.
That's what concealer's for?
This is contour. You don't put this all over you. Where did you put this?
I thought that was to correct dark spots.
This is black.
It says corrector.
No, this is a concealer. This is why I could see it so black. I mean, you know, for keep blending. When you don't wash.
Okay, this is what I look like so far. Okay, so eyebrows next. So this is like, I don't know. I definitely know this is from MAC because I see the name MAC. Because I just found some. I found some eyeliner, guys.
What you guys do, like, oh, it burns. It burns! Could I wear this shirt and I'll be white with gloves?
Okay, so time for lip gloss. Well, lipstick. Okay, now I feel this is a look, honestly. I feel like my first time wasn't as bad, but it wasn't that good either. But let me go look at myself in the mirror and see how this whole process came together. Okay, so I went to the bathroom because like the bathroom has way better lighting. Maybe I should start doing my videos in the bathroom, but I don't think I look bad. Oh my god. Oh my. I have a mustache. Oh my god, so as you can see, my friends had their comments in our little group chat.